Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and today we've got quite a simple geometry of shapes question relating to triangles. Now, triangles are always really important to understand all the different theorems that are associated with them, because triangles tend to come up a lot in your tests and exams. So let's get straight into this question. We've got in triangle ABC, we've got angle A is equal to 60 degrees, which they've already marked for us, and angle C is equal to 40 degrees, which they've already marked for us. Now they've said to us, right, we need to try and figure out what this angle is over here. So we need to try and figure out what the size of B is. And quite kindly, they've told us which theorem to use. We don't even have to write in the reason. Okay, so we can go straight into this. So what is our first mathematical statement? We know that angle B plus 60 degrees plus 40 degrees equals what? So what do we know about the sum of angles of a triangle? We know that all the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. Now all we need to do is solve for B, so it becomes an equation. So let's first neaten up the left-hand side. So 60 plus 40 gives you 100 degrees equals 180 degrees. And now we want to get rid of this 100 so that B is left on its own. So we need to subtract 100 from the left-hand side, and because there is an equal sign in the middle, we need to do the same thing on the other side. So that means once we've subtracted from both sides, we're left with a B on the left-hand side, and it's going to be 180, subtract the 100, leaves us with 80 degrees. And that gets you all of the marks for this question, and that is all from me. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read up more about them in the description below. Also, if you're looking for more videos like this one, visit our website, and if you can't find the answer to your question room, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.